Hey guys, it's me, TopLegoZone, and today I'll be doing a tour of my new South Stud City layout. So, we will start without further ado after I tell you some stuff about it. Not everything's fully done. I still have some parts lying around, so don't tell me, oh, you don't have this or you don't have that. I will get to that. So, and also, if you find my minifigure in the video, then private message me where you found it, and you'll be in the list of people who found my minifigure. So, enough talking, and now it's time to show you my new and improved South Stud City. So there you have it, the new and improved South Stud City. Hope you liked this video. More will be coming out soon now because I have my Lego City put back together. I will be working on the takedown. And yeah, please rate, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video. So, thank you again for watching. Bye.